welcome back to Monster Jam Freestyle. Today, first up is Backwards Bob. Woo! Woohoo! Save it, save it! Down. Save it, save it, save it! Donut!
Nice wheelie.
Yeah. Meow. Yeah. Yeah. Come.
Bicycle! Save it!
Backwards stuff. Kid to kid. Hi, Superman.
Backwards Bob, thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
I need your help.
With what?
I can't find my cape. Is there any way you can help me? Please help me, please help me, please.
I don't know how I can help you.
How?
I can retrace your steps.
Oh, you can help me think backwards. Let's do it, let's go.
Okay. What was the last thing you did?
Okay, so the last thing I did was I was saving the mini monster trucks from Bakugan Dragonoids.
Okay.
The story went something like this.
Who will help us ever defeat the Bakugans?
Get their village!
Now you have nowhere to hide.
Help! Did I hear someone ask for help?
Yeah.
Save us from the Dragonoids! Here I come to save the day. Boink! 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 And boink! Ow! Ow! He got me with his horn. Boink! And last but not least, the red Bakugan Dragonoid. Oh, this one is strong. He's a higher level. Oh!
Superman, he got punched.
Oh no, Superman, he's gonna lose.
What are we gonna do?
Superman, Superman, go! Superman, Superman.
Superman.
I hear you, children. I'm getting leveled up. Bow! You're all safe now. Even though you have nowhere to live, at least you're alive.
Thank you. Can you help us build our house?
Yes, I can help you build your house. Let's go, guys.
Okay.
Building, 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 building. Building, building. We're building a house. Ooh, 2-story. How you like those apples? Very nice. Ooh, a 3-car garage. All right, see you later, guys.
See you later, Superman.
Thanks for helping us.
Yeah. Let's go back there right now.
Okay, maybe my cape's there.
All right. Skip. Uno.
Oh, Uno. Well, he's only got 1 card. 1 card. I got like a huge stack. Wait, you got Skip, Northern Nightmare. Nice try. It's my turn. Draw 4. 4 more. I hate this game. Fine. Hey, guys.
Hey, what? You said you were fighting monster trucks. I mean dragons.
Well, like, I kind of stretched the truth a little bit. So there weren't, like, Dragonoids. There was, like, Uno cards and Monster Mutt Poodle. Have you guys seen my cape?
No.
No. Have you seen my cape?
No. Also, tell you. Look at him at the stack.
Sorry, man. Uno's a tough game. Maybe you'll be able to lose some of those cards. Well, my cape's not over here, backwards Bob.
Okay. Well, let's go. All right, think backwards again.
Think backwards. Where was I at before I saved the Dragonoids? I mean, saved them from playing Uno?
No, you need to say that.
Okay, before that, well, I was at Thunder Alley. Let me tell you the story. I was rescuing some monster trucks, children's at Thunder Alley.
Okay, who's gonna go next?
Me, the person with a broken arm.
Me.
A baby.
And a baby velociraptor and a guy with a wheelchair and a broken arm.
All right, let's get inside. This is gonna be fun, guys.
Bro, I can't wait. This is gonna be fun.
Whee! Whee!
Just around the street.
Oh no!
Help us, somebody!
Oh no! They're gonna fall over the edge!
Oh no! My children, my baby raptor!
My man with a broken arm! Help! Who's gonna help us?
Help us!
Dun, da, 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 da.
Tumble.
Who asks for help? Faster than a speeding bullet. I got you guys and baby raptor. I will save you. Yay! Yay! Thank you, Superman.
You're welcome, everyone.
Have a nice day and stay safe.
Okay, well, we will.
Bye. Dun,
Bye.
dun, dun, dun. Shh.
Thanks, kids! Wow, you're so cool. You're such a hero. Okay, so let's go back to Cedar Point.
Yeah, let's go to Thunder Alley. Maybe I left my cape there.
Okay.
Do you need some help up these stairs? I can fly.
Yeah!
Dun, 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 dun.
Ouch. Oh, come on. Yeah, I got on top range.
Yeah.
I did it.
Hey, Jester.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Just throwing some rings on the Reindeer Ring Toss guy. Ugh. Yes, another one.
Oh,
No.
Maybe not. Got it.
Got it. Hey, wait a minute. I thought you were at Thunder Alley saving children from a grave digger ride.
Well, that's kind of not true. I was at Thunder Alley saving children. He was here with me, Backwards Bob, doing the Reindeer Ring Toss.
What?
Yeah, sorry. I kind of lied.
Don't lie.
I'm sorry. Is my cape here?
Yeah, is his cape here?
No cape over here. Sorry, guys.
Oh.
All right, let's go backwards, Bob. Twing!
Think, Superman. Think really hard.
What was the last thing I was doing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, oh yeah, I remember. I was with Radical Rescue and 5 Alarm, and we were saving Blue's Clues from a burning building. You should have saw it, Backwards Bob. I was awesome.
Me! Superman, so glad you're here.
I'll go save Blue's Clues.
Dun, dun, dun. Come with me, little puppy.
Whoa! You saved him right in time.
Yeah, if that would fall and Blue was on it, he would be dead.
Thank you, Superman.
Are you telling the truth?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. This is the truth. I was with the Ninja Turtles, and I was with Batman, and we were fighting Thanos and Darth Vader, and you should have saw us, man. We were just, like, wrecking it, and I was fighting.
Let's attack.
Go get her!
Telling the truth.
Well, maybe I'm stretching the truth a little bit. So, well, if I'm going to be completely honest, I was at Sparkle Smash's house.
Okay, let's check there.
Okay, let's check there.
Meow.
Sparkle Smash!
Sparkle Smash! Come inside. Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys, why are you here?
I lost my cape, and we're trying to retrace my steps, and I'm wondering if I left my cape over here.
I can take you to the room that we were at.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Ow. Here.
Woo!
What were you guys doing here? We were watching.
No, don't tell him. No, don't tell him. We were saving the day and doing a bunch of superhero stuff, of course.
We were watching Frozen 2. Hey, you lied to me.
Sorry, fine. We were watching Frozen 2. That's right. We were watching Frozen 2 on this couch. We were having a Frozen movie marathon.
Oh. Where did you leave your cape?
Well,
He had his cape out when we were watching a movie. What were you doing with the cape?
Don't answer that question.
What?
Well, I was cleaning it, obviously.
We were watching Frozen 2.
We've established that.
He was hiding behind his cape when the rock creature came out.
Okay, maybe I was. Fine. It's a scary part of the movie. Rock creatures come out. I was hiding my eyes. I was sitting over here on this couch. My cave! Hooray! We found it! Thank you, Backwards Bob! Thank you, Sparkle Smash.
You're welcome. Do you guys want to stay over and have some makeup time? Sure.
Okay.
Let's go. This is going to make you sparkly.
Thank you, Sparkle
Sparkle
Smash.
Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel, Jester Kids.